this $100 million pet brand is beating Apple with a really weird positioning move. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be dissecting this brand called Fi Tracking, and they sell a pet tracking device. And that's what I mean when I say they're beating Apple, is that they're actually making some really interesting positioning moves that we can learn a ton from in order to scale. Now, one of the things that you need to understand about this brand right away is that they are incredibly good at meta ads. And meta ads is the primary way that we grow businesses at my company, Ecommerce. In fact, that's what companies hire us for primarily. So you see, we have over $9 million of ad spend, qualified ad spend here, and we're the highest agency badge status. I don't even know how you want to say that, but yeah, it's Meta Agency Partner Badge. That's what it is. And it's pretty cool that we can do that. We see a lot of data. We have a lot of different clients, some softwares that service some massive e-commerce brands. So I love to study this stuff. And I like to pass down some of these learnings to you guys in public here. And also hope that maybe it attracts more business owners, some Shopify owners maybe, and even people who want to start Shopify stores. Now let's just dissect some of their ads and landing page, because at the end of the day, that's how you grow, right? Offers, landing pages, and ads. That's pretty much like the core engine for a lot of the growth stories that we hear in direct-to-consumer brands these days. But first, I do want to show you their traffic here. So this is kind of not loading super fast, but here we go. So for some reason, I think this is a new landing page that they're testing, and it's just going exponential right away because of how many ads they're running. So they're testing all these different ads, right? If we click this one, it goes to this one, and that's the first lesson that we can learn. It's actually a super simple lesson that any brand owner can do. You can see this clue right here, right? They are sending cat-related ads to cat-related landing pages. I know, super genius, right? No one's ever done that before. Just kidding. Of course people do that. It's really smart. In fact, if you look at this one is a dog one. That's a really easy optimization thing that you can do in order to get higher conversion rates and therefore more winning ads. When there's more congruence in your funnel, it's naturally going to convert better. Now, obviously, that's not something maybe you can do at the beginning if you're just launching your business, which, by the way, I do want to, I want to talk to that crowd too. Some of you guys that are still just beginners or just launching, right, or maybe looking for your next idea. I do have a global sourcing supplier called Team Drop, and I use them for sourcing custom products and a variety of things. And they have some pre-existing products like this actually already, which is pretty cool. So, this is a completely free platform. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to go, look at products that you can add to your store right away and start selling them and shipping them, drop shipping them. But again, you can also do custom products on this platform. You just got to WhatsApp them and, tell them everything you want or whatever. Now, I did find this brand through, this is what's crazy about ecom, right? I do this all the time. I'm constantly doing research, constantly trying to understand why things work, and of course, pass that down to my team in order to execute it across clients and across stores. Now, the crazy part is I'm still discovering new brands literally every day. I didn't know about this brand, although I do know about this niche, but I've never seen anybody do this sort of layout that they're doing where they are only selling this on a subscription, right? So they're actually not allowing people to not buy this on subscription. And it's part of what makes their model so incredibly powerful. So, now they're talking about AI behavior monitoring. So I can see this is probably where, this new traffic is coming from for this new lander that they made, is maybe to talk more about AI, because I think that's the easiest hack right now in order to pump up the valuation of your company. But besides that, this lander is extremely simple. It's actually shockingly simple to me because, this isn't a cheap thing, right? And their product images, they're really good, but, they don't really say too much about the product. This tells me about the product. This tells me about the product. It tells me everything I need to know, to be honest. So it's beautifully simple in that way. But I still feel like it's maybe too simple. Like I would love to see testimonials, for example. This is a great place to, to have testimonials. So if we add to cart, it just sends us down the funnel to convert. So very interesting, right? They're not actually adding so much objection handling and social proof. I think the social proof part especially could be pretty powerful for them. But hey, they're doing quite well. In fact, they are doing over 100 million. That was back in 2022. They were founded in 2017, so almost a decade ago, and they raised $40 million in funding, which is pretty crazy. And it's crazy that you can start like a business in this category for like nothing, right? For basically whatever the cost of the product is here. But obviously, I would say if you are starting something like this, make sure that you do talk back and forth with the suppliers here to ensure that the product is really good quality. Maybe test it first, because there's a lot on the line when it comes to these kinds of products, right? I mean, people want to track their pets if they're lost, but that's the other thing that I'm noticing is the positioning here. So this is what I meant by beating Apple, right? Because Apple is not obviously positioning their AirTags for pets, right? But these guys are. So these guys are basically selling like an AirTag, but just for your pet, which can help you track your pet. But now it also has other functionality too, which includes, like heart rate monitoring, sleep, and rest. So it's funny, like people want to take care of their pets almost more than they want to take care of themselves in many instances, which is pretty wild. But you see, here are their different products. So they don't have a lot of products. They only have 3 products, right? But this is a very complex business. They've gone above and beyond to, create a moat for themselves. But now let's take a look at their ads, right? So this is all their landers. That's actually extremely simple. On the landing page side of things, super, super simple. Again, shockingly simple. I would think that they're running a lot more things. I think maybe if we scroll all the way down here, maybe we can see other landing pages. Let me see. I just want to see. Okay, so this one's for the collar, and this one is a little bit different, but not really. It's actually exactly the same. But for the collar, this one, I think this one maybe goes to a different lander. So yeah, this one goes to super tracking for the super stylish. Okay, so now we're talking. This is a cool page. I like this a lot more actually. Total peace of mind, flexible attachment, escape alerts, activity tracking, smart vet records. This sells me way more on the whole concept. So again, it's surprising that they're running to the other lander, but I don't have access to their data. I'm not working with these guys, although I would love to, hey, Fi Tracking, hit me up. I'd love to consult with you guys, help you guys in any way that I can, even for free, honestly, just to connect. But this one sells me a lot more than the previous one. And again, this is why it's good to test different landers. Even doing something as simple as, a dog lander and a cat lander can yield insanely different results, hopefully in a positive way, right? Now let me actually go back up to the top because I want to see some of their highest impression ads. This is sorted by highest impression. So here are some of their highest impression ad. First thing we can see, they have a whitelisted partnership ad here. This is one of their highest performing ads. Let me pause this. So yeah, Meta Ads Library is extremely slow. But let's see if we can actually watch this video from the beginning. So let me go back. Okay, here we go. POV, you ditch your cat's AirTag for this and you're never looking back. So that's a big angle that they're using. Cat sleep. Yeah, this is a good ad. And it's got a branded font, they got the colors going on. Very simple way to create a congruent experience too. Just make the colors of your font, even though you got to make them native. Generally, it's a better idea to do like native fonts to the platform, like Instagram fonts, but just making it the same color as your brand, that's a bit of a hack here. And then they have a bunch of videos. So the primary way that they're advertising is through videos. They're getting tons of content. But even here, right, so one of their highest impression ads is actually just this really, really simple native looking ad. And this is actually a great example of a native static. This is what you can call a native static, but without the long ad copy. So a very popular advertising format right now is these kinds of native ads, but with really long copy. I think, hey, this is a good test, right? Maybe test one with short copy. And as you see, it's just letting her roam without the guilt thanks to Fi Mini. That's really good. And they got the cat in there. So of course this one's going to a cat page. it seems like a lot of these are going to cats. So, hey, cats are booming right now. I think cats are, it's a huge market, but I still feel like in some ways it's less competitive than the dog market, but I'm not exactly sure about that. I have two cats myself. Her, I have two. One of them is Nala. One of them is Nina. Two girls, and they're amazing. I love cats. I love dogs too, though, but cats are just so much easier to take care of. I also have a baby, so she takes care of the cats too. It's pretty awesome. They get along quite well, believe it or not. But here we got another like sort of native ad. I really love this kind of style of ad, honestly, because it's just so low effort. But that's why it works, actually. Like the low effort nature of it, funny enough, makes it stand out in a world of like super high production value, especially in their ad account, right? They have a lot of really well produced ads, like high production value ads, but then they also got some of these like really low effort ads. I love that. That's like horseshoe theory almost, right? Like it's just, they both work extremely well. Yeah, so this is being super slow. I think we can probably just analyze this ad and then call it a day here, but I want to show you this one because, again, this is the one that I found. I found it in the Shopee Lab platform, which is a research platform and an accelerator. We built it with the Akemi team in order to help people start their brands, but also scale without necessarily having to hire our team. However, we did relaunch our coaching program, so we do have a consulting program basically for people starting from scratch or people that want to grow and just kind of learn all the strategies that we use and that we have used to scale several brands exponentially pretty much on Meta. So make sure you check that out. I'll leave that in the description if it sounds interesting. But long story short, yeah, this is the ad that I found this brand from, and I really loved it. I just think every meow matters, whatever their jam, your cat is safe in style. It's a cool, like very avatar specific ad right here. Like they're clearly targeting a specific kind of person, even through like the look of the cat, right? Like the spikes on this, plus the copywriting here, it just screams to me like this just very particular cat owner. And that's what's cool about Meta ads is you can test so many different avatars, so many different angles, in problems that you're solving for people in different formats even. So there's literally endless ways that you can grow your brand with Meta, and that's why I'm a proud Meta partner, Meta agency partner. Even though Meta gets on my nerves sometimes, man, it's just such a powerful platform. So with that said, I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something and found it inspirational. Yeah, I mean, all these ad formats are really good and they're pretty replicable, I will say, especially statics are super easy to replicate right now with AI. I've made videos about that before and I'll make more if you guys want me to, but that's about it. Peace out.